taxi today. New thermostat came while we were away. I need the gasket. Not sure if this has had it or not, but it was certainly seemed to be a problem, so I just swapped the water sensor over. We're going to put a new one in anyway. It's turned up right, might as well. It's a bit of a pain, say it's this whole lump, you can't just swap the thermostat out. Bit of a shame, whatever. Alright, so this was an absolute pig to get off, and I'm not sure if I showed it or not. So what I did, this bolt came out last, and once you turn it to an angle you can loosen it, or in this case tighten it. Because there's like no access around this side, I'm probably be able to get it just to nip it up. But you can't get anything in because of this heat shield. It's a bit of a faff. So yeah, I'm just loosening it up and then we'll slot it down, pop the 2 bolts in just a little bit to make sure that gasket's in place and tighten it all up. Winner, winner. There we go. Bit of a fiddle, but it's on. Nice. Right, let's click these bits in, get the water bottle back in. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the water tonight. I might do that tomorrow. Might do, we'll see. We'll be back to you. You'll see it next anyway. There we go. It looks a bit better, doesn't it? All complete, new thermostat. So I've reused the water sensor. I'm not sure if that's had it, but I think that's easy enough to change afterwards if it doesn't work. So I think we can chuck some water in, see what leaks. I'm just going to put water in to start with. I've got concentrated coolant anyway, so I can chuck that in afterwards. I just want to check these hoses and all this stuff around here. Bottom of the water pump and this bottom hose is all on properly. I think that flows around to all of them straight away, so it's relatively obvious. But then it's just water if it goes everywhere. Alright, just running out. No leaks that I've spotted so far, which is good. Coolant's alright, just say run it with the cap off, get up to temperature, let it burp through the system, and I'll just keep topping it up as we need to. It's right at the maximum at the minute. Yeah, looks alright. It's a couple of wet bits which I spilled stuff trying to get it in the hole. Yeah, nothing down here. I've had a bit of play with stuff. It's good stuff. So, run up to temperature, no leaks. It's all good. Coolant, I'm going to top a little bit. I've not quite got as much antifreeze in versus water as I'd like, so I'm going to just keep an eye on that, keep topping it up. I might have to siphon some out and kind of like take some dilute out and put some concentrate in. But yeah, no leaks. I'm going to put these covers and stuff back on now because I've got a little bit of time. I've got some of this is citrus cleaner, believe it or not, but they're like all covered in horrible stuff, so I'm just going to give them a quick clean before they go back on. Might as well, right? Alright, we're back on the taxi, we're back on the inside. Pick this back up. Well, actually I got delivered back before we were away on holiday. The bad news is they can't fix these. They don't have a test rig to test it afterwards, so they took it, looked at it and posted me back. So I'm just going to put it all back together again, get it MOT ready. I think that'll just be an advisory, the fact that mileage doesn't work. They just note it. I don't think it's a fail anyway. But I've got some bulbs to put in the back. One of the brake light bulbs is gone, so let's put this back together. Oh, we're nearly there. Look at this, just the steering wheel. Still got 2 screws left over, which is a little bit worrying. It's entirely possible they're not related. No, nothing down there, I don't think. Put the 2 in here. This is all right. It's a little bit loose, but I suppose that doesn't really matter. Well, this has gone on. This is a bit loose down here. One of the pegs was broken. I've tried to glue a thing back together, but it's not having it. So it is what it is. I'll try some double-sided tape or something at some point because it's a bit solid behind here. Just stop it flapping around. Let's get a steering wheel on. And wheels. There we go. Good as new. Even tucked it to specification. Well, close enough anyway. As close as I could find for everything else. Nice. Brake light bulb, and we'll do wheels and tyres maybe today, maybe tomorrow, because Chinese is coming, y'all. So today's the day. I'm going to sort my stuff out. I'm going to wash this damn taxi, get this Copart number off the windscreen. It's been a while coming. Alright, so we've got this is citrus pre-wash by Epic. I like this Epic automotive stuff. I'm using this snow foam because I've got some of the Epic stuff in here as well, but let's just blast this. This needs to be cheap, cheerful. Some lemon shampoo, some tire cleaners, some wheel tire cleaners, some brushes and odds and ends and bits and bobs and stuff. So yeah, we've still got all the Copart markings on it. I can't remember where it is. There's loads of this green mouldy stuff all over. It was like down near the seaside down in the east coast, so it's got white dusty sand all over it as well. So I have some of all these bits clean up. Might look at the state of all this. Some plant life on the rear wiper. Alright, I'm not sure it was recording anything there, but there you go. So one side's kind of just pre-washed in a bit of snow foam. Here's what it started like, just to give you an idea. So it's coming up alright. It's coming up alright. It'll take more than one go though, I think. And there's a bit, actually they've actually cleaned up. There's loads of these like little rust spots just here where the water's sat. Just a little bit of citrus pre-wash. And a bit of scrub and it's coming up, so that's good. There's just cack everywhere. On the back, so it's the first pass everywhere. I think it's going to get another snow foam, and then let's get some scrubbing on. It's looking loads better though. Might actually be silver. Just knocking around, keep going over the top and help it dry. Went from a raffle. Quality. Final touches, we'll get some of this tyre conditioner on. Mayors Bowles is right. Right, that's done. Inside is a job for another day, and it's going to take a while. That's why I didn't mind jet washing the door shuts. Look at that. Ugh. I don't know where this has been. But yeah, it needs a really good clean. It's just kind of junk everywhere. Like, some of this is mine, don't get me wrong, the top joints and the screws and whatever from taking pieces apart, but it needs a good wash on the inside. There we go. What are we thinking? Looks better. It's not bad, it's perfect. There's loads of chips on it. Like all these little rust patches and stuff. Spiders. See, it's not perfect. I don't suppose it will be, to be honest, because I'm not getting all this resprayed. I might try and touch some stuff in. I might have a go. Not today. Right, it's dry today, so we're onto the inside. Some cleaner, some of this, where's it gone? I've got some foam. This one, there's not a lot of that left. It's a foam upholstery cleaner as well. Give that a go. I've got some shampoo and stuff anyway. Drill brush, brushes, big wet and dry vac. Let's go. Dust just came out of these just by hoovering it. It's mad. Alright, so wet stuff. I'm going to start at the top. I think this roof line should be able to take some cleaner, because it's like So some of this elbow grease has gone on, and then just a sponge with some warm water, and it's, if you can see that or not, it's made a right difference. Yeah, it's coming up quite nice actually. It's just, I guess it's Alright, so we've done these side panels, the little back window and the headrest, so all the plasticky sort of bits. I haven't done this front side yet, and that's the state of the water. Oh my god, that was grim. I think I might get some clean water and do these plastic bits, and then we'll do the fabric, I think. Alright, clean water. So let's do this door card. Swampy. Right, tools for this job. This Autoglamatory shampoo, which is pretty cool. I've used it before. It's about, I've got half empty of this something. Gonna get this on, gonna get it wet, gonna get the drill brush on it, get a good scrub, get a good hoover. Yes, the quick side by side. I'm not sure it picks up on the camera. So that's the one I've just done. That's the one I've got to do. It's coming up quite nice, to be honest. It's alright. Not surprising, given how caked on some of that stuff was. Good thing about these is you've got somewhere to sit while you're doing the other side, which is good. He's not going to stay down the wall. This is going to be a bit of a pain in the arse, I think. Cool. Going to go around the lot with the shiny stuff, and I need to try and clean up this perspex with some clean water and a cloth. I don't know what to clean it with actually, because glass cleaner probably won't be any good. Okay, so we've just done the windows with this. Although to be honest, they're a bit streaky. I haven't done the best job with it, so I might have to go over them again. That's a me problem. I'll bore you the details. And then the next job, I'm just going to give all the plastics a shine with this. So Simon's dashboard shine, give it a blast. Fresh water onto front passenger side. I'm probably not going to film this. I think I'm just going to crack through it because there's not a lot to show you. Front passenger side is nothing at all. Front driver side, I might take the seat out. I think Alright, see it's coming out the front. It's just 4 of these 6mm Allen bolts, 2 at the front of the rails, 2 at the back of the rails. There's no airbags or anything, so I don't think there's going to be wire connectors under there. Okay, I'll get to all this crap under here. Clean all of these scaggy bits of taxi driver's skin and whatever. Nice. Oh. Yeah, worth it, because I think I can do a proper job on it now. And I say the seat needs a good. That's looking better. I call these streaks this fake leatherette kind of dashboard thing. My stuff just doesn't polish it very well, so I'm going to have to figure that out. But it's clean. Clean's what we're going for. Can polish it later. Now the worst bit's this door card. On the face of it, it's not too bad, but you can tell the driver's been here all the time. Tarmac. Neatly there. Let's give this all done. I'm quite impressed. It looks alright. My ramp's not come up very alright. It's a few days later because the battery died and it's been raining. I think you'll agree this looks loads better. Actually, it looks better than I remember from a couple of days ago. So, really pleased with that. It's in the front. Got the little chain. This little rope goes to that door with the 2 holes out of the handle, just to stop it, I guess, blowing open or over opening. Yes, looks alright. Let's have a quick squiz in the back. There we go. The back's come up alright. Smells a bit funky. I think I might have to try and get the windows open a little bit over the weekend, air it out a little bit. I think it's all sort of dried, but you can tell I've had all the door shuts because it's got that little damp twang to it. It's been raining in fairness, so I haven't been able to add the chance. And that needs a little bit something on it just to spruce it up a bit, I think. Yeah, just looks tidier. All the dust, all the grime's gone. Happy with that. I think we need to get it down for an MOT and then figure out what we're doing with the photo booth. I have ideas. I think basically I can use this. That screws in there as well. So like maybe put some riv nuts in here. There's like a couple up there as well. Get some lights and ring light thing in. That's the plan for it. I just haven't quite figured the details out yet. Cool. So yeah, now I have a clean taxi. If you've been watching, thanks for watching. I'll let you know next section will be after the MOT. Got to sort out the insurance. I say it's just been super expensive, and because they're old taxis, they seem to be like specialists. You can't just go on like normal websites and whatever. So I'll have a look. Give some people a ring. The warm quote ad was absolutely ridiculous. So I'm hoping to a couple more places. I think it's something.